And in today's video, we're taking a look at how to grow a seed on a pellet. Either if you buy your seeds or you get them directly from the fruit or get them as a gift, today we're going to see how to plant them. It's an easy process that anyone could do. And remember, you always want to verify your seed's information to see the best temperature that it needs, the best region where it grows, how tall will it grow, how much sunlight does it need before planting a seed. We're going to use seed growing pellets, and these are made of coconut husk. The first thing that we want to do is get a container or a plate and put our pellet on top. Now we're going to go ahead and add some water to the pellet, take out our popcorn and watch it grow. The great thing about the pellet is once the plant starts growing, we could transfer the entire pellet to the dirt because it's biodegradable. Now we're going to go ahead and make a little hole on the center. We always find that 1/4 of the way down is good enough. We're going to add our seeds and we're going to go for the magic number of 3 again. Now we're going to go ahead and close it once again. Once we finish, we want to place it in a container that has holes in the bottoms. If it doesn't have holes, you can make it. And remember, we also want to follow the instructions in the package. And after this process, you want to place the seed in a place that's going to resemble the best temperature according to that seed's information. Once we notice that the new life is popping out from the soil, we will need now to place them in a place or location where they're going to receive the much needed sunlight that they require to grow. If using grow lights, you want to use according to your grow lights manual. With time, the plant outgrows the cup. You can always transfer it to a bigger container. And don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.